In spite of several restoration works, the Church of St. Francis may be looked at as the building which best preserves the aura of austere simplicity distinguishing the medieval town. Probably built during the 14th century, at the time it should have been smaller, both in length and in height. The fine portal is to be seen, as well as what's remaining of an old portico. Of the 15th century is instead the bell tower that features a bell chamber with double lancet openings and a conical roof. The interior was formerly divided in two naves, but one of them was later walled up and now hosts the remains of variously dating frescoes. Among the artistic works is the Virgin and Child with Saints John Baptist, Mark, Francis of Assisi, Zeno and Fidentius, depicted by Alma the Younger and located behind the major altar. Following a restoration work in the 60s, the contiguous old monastery gave home to the poor Clare nuns, and perpetual adoration was established in the church.